Aye, on time like.
What's up, family? And today we are going to talk about using the app called Tubebuddy. Now, Tubebuddy is a Google Chrome extension, and in order to get Tubebuddy, all you have to do is click the link that I left for you guys above this video, and you can download Tubebuddy for free. Now, once you get Tubebuddy installed on your Google Chrome, what you want to do is click this little TB logo right here. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use Tubebuddy for your YouTube channel. Now, if you have a free Tubebuddy account, it's not going, when you see it, it's going to have your channel name here. It's going to have license, and it will say free for yours. Okay, if you would like to pay for Pro, go ahead and pay for Pro. You get to unlock a lot of different features. And it's very affordable for desktop. I think it's only like $9 a month. But this can help optimize a lot of your videos. Okay, so let's go over the features of Tubebuddy. We have the dashboard here. This is where it's going to pull up the dashboard of your YouTube channel. That's going to take you directly to YouTube Studio. We have videos and live streams. This is going to pull up all your videos and live streams that you have on your channel. Playlists is going to pull up all the playlists that you have on your channel. Comments is all the comments that people have left on your videos. Analytics in real time is going to show all of your analytics for your YouTube channel so you can figure out how to optimize and make your videos better. Now what we're going to do is go into the extension tools right here, okay? This is the most important part of Tubebuddy, and this is where you're going to spend majority of your time. If you ever are struggling with looking up titles or tags for your videos, there's two tools that are very, very important. Okay, the first one is the Keyword Explorer. The second one is SEO Studio. If you have a free account, SEO Studio will not be available for you, but you can do everything inside of the Keyword Explorer. Now, what we want to do is go to Keyword Explorer here. And if you want to title a video, you could put, if you're in the how-to niche, you can put how to, and you have a lot of different things right here that you can choose if this is within your niche. But let's say how to meditate for beginners at home. Let's try this right here. Now what Tubebuddy is going to do, it is going to give you an overall score on this keyword or title. Okay, it's also going to show you the interest on YouTube over a 30-day time period. This will be very important when it comes down to knowing when to actually post a video on this subject. Okay, so if you look at the chart here, it's going to tell you how many searches have been done during the past 30 days. Okay, and if it's starting to trend up, this is the greatest time to start posting videos with this keyword. But as you can see, the overall score is poor. Okay, now what that means is that you have search volume, it's very high. The competition is very high. Okay, if it has excellent, where it's all red and it has excellent, that means that it has great search volume when it's all the way in the red. Competition, it should be at least in the yellow or the green. Optimization strength should be further in the yellow and orange area, and it's going to tell you how many videos are in the search results. Okay, so you have 5.76 million videos using this keyword. Your goal is to figure out how to put more words in your title. So let's say in 2021. And as you can see, it has an excellent overall score. And this is what it's called a long tail keyword. Okay, that means that you have how to. Of course, a lot of people on YouTube, they are searching how to. You have meditate, that's a keyword. Meditate for beginners, that's another keyword. Meditate for beginners at home, that's another keyword. Meditate for beginners at home in 2021, that is another keyword. These are all keywords within one title. So it is a keyword rich title, right? So now let's get into the SEO studio. Okay, now SEO stands for search engine optimization. All right. So let's click here to SEO studio, and we're going to put in that same title that we just did. So we're going to put how to meditate for beginners at home in 2021. And we're just going to click start. Now, TubeBuddy is going to give us an SEO score. So this means that your SEO score ranking is only 62%. You want to try to get this up to 100 or at least in the 90s, okay? Now, how you boost this score is multiple ways that you could do it. You can either adjust the title of the video. You can add more keywords, keyword-rich description, but make sure that it's natural, okay? Where it says here on TubeBuddy, it gives you all kinds of tips. So right here, it says include your target keyword in the title, include 80% of your target keyword in the title, include your target keyword in the first 60 characters of the title. And as you can see, we have an X here where it says include your target keyword naturally in the title. We have a check here, include your target keyword in the first 200 characters of the description. Include partial matches of your target keyword in the description, okay? So how you can boost this up is you can either adjust your title or the description, and it will even go up when you add tags. So let's just put a little bit inside of the description here. In this video, I will show you how to meditate and this is for beginners. And this is for beginners. You can start to meditate at home right now in 2021. Okay, and we have a little bit there, and now we have a SEO score of 71. So as you can see, the more that you add to your description with all of these keywords written naturally in the description, the higher your SEO score will go. After you get your description and your title secured, you're just going to click next, and now you're able to add tags. Okay, you're able to add tags inside of your videos. So how to meditate properly for beginners, we could use that. How to start meditating for beginners at home, you could use that. Step by step, how to meditate for beginners, we could use this. How to meditate properly for beginners at home, we could use this, okay? Now, the more keywords that you add, of course, you could use up to 500 characters for your keywords. So play around with this tool in order to get your SEO score up, and you will have very optimized videos. And that is the basic way that you're going to be using TubeBuddy to optimize your videos. After you get your tags in, all you have to do is just click next, and you will be able to upload your own custom thumbnail if you know how to make them using an app called Canva, or if you're paying someone to make your thumbnails for you. And when it's done, you just click next, and you can save it to a draft if you have not created that video already. Then when you create the video, you can apply all of your settings to the video that you make. And that's how you use TubeBuddy for YouTube.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling.